countable and uncountable nouns?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Afila, come here. Pick an object. So what's in your hand?
Bowl.
Can we count it?
We can count it.
So it is a?
Countable.
Very good. Anunaka, choose one. So what's in your hand?
Patience.
So what is it?
It is abstract noun. It cannot be counted.
Okay, very good. Rumaisa, pick an object. So what's in your hand?
This is a water bottle.
Is it a countable or uncountable?
It is a countable noun.
Very good. Musina, what is this?
Doll.
Doll. So can we count the doll?
Yes, we can count the doll. So it is a countable noun.
Very good. Ifra, come. So choose one. So what's in your hand?
Wisdom.
So what is it?
It is abstract noun, so it is uncountable.
Very good. Husniya, choose an object. What is in your hand? Can you count it?
No, it cannot be counted because it is uncountable.
Very good. Rifa, so what's in your hand?
Scissors.
So can we count it?
Yes, we can count it. It is a countable noun.
Very good. Safa, pick an object. So what's in your hand?
Mug.
Can we count it?
Yes, we can count it. So it is a countable noun.
Very good. Rashita Bibi, choose one. What did you choose?
Sugar.
Sugar. So is it a countable or uncountable now?
No, it cannot be counted. It is an uncountable.
Very good. Musfira, choose one. So what is this?
Countable.
Can we count it?
No, it cannot be countable. It is an uncountable noun.
Very good. Fatima, what are you choosing?
A pouch.
Okay, so is it a countable or uncountable now?
Yes, we can count it. It is a countable noun.
Very good. Take one. What do you have in your hand?
Oil.
Oil. So can we count oil?
No, it cannot be counted, so it is uncountable noun.
Very good. Okay, Arifa, come. Choose one. Yeah. What do you have in your hand?
A pen.
Can we count it?
Yes, we can count it. It is a countable noun.
Very good. Ami and Rafatul Salah. Choose any one among these two. So what is in your hand?
Rice.
Is it a countable or uncountable now?
Cannot count it, so it is an uncountable.
Very good. Hafna. So what is this?
Line.
Can we count it?
We cannot count it. It is an abstract noun.
Very good.